Hi Jennifer. Okay, you asked me right to video. Okay, I'm gonna try okay, from number 1 to 9, okay, because number 10 to 13 is already on YouTube, and many of them, the rest of the questions, many of them is already on YouTube, okay. So if you need more, you let me know, okay. Okay, first we can try number 1 to 9. Okay, 1 to 9 you use right, difficult is one, level is one, easy one, okay. You can quickly go over this one. Okay, now check it. How can you find the answer very quickly? This is a 2, 4, 2, right? This is what 9 minus 3 is what 6. This is what 16 minus 4 is what 12, isn't it? So you can add this one, okay? 14 minus, this is 14 minus 6 is 8, okay? You can use this way. The number 2, take the number 2. Okay, Portias, okay, 3 times as many students in Lara's high score. If Lara is what, X, this is what, 3 times X. Okay, that's for any per unit of ratio, right? When you divide by per unit, divided by 4 is what, 260. Each unit has what, 1 unit has 250, 650 students, okay? So Portias is what, times 3, okay? So times 3 is 159 1950. That's true. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, that is number 2. Number 3, take a look over here. We have sum of two numbers, a plus b. That is equals what? 17,402. But there's one constraint over here. One of the numbers is divisible by 10. That is a multiple of 10, right? When you have some number over here and 0, that's one of the number. I'm going to take this as one of number A. This is a B number, right? Because when you take them out, you got the B. Okay, what is it? B, what is it? Okay, A equals actually what is it? 10 times B, right? 10B. That's it. A plus B is what? 17,402. A equals 10. A equals 10B. From here, you can use what 10B over here. So 11B. 11B equals what? 17,402. Isn't it? Quickly you can find. Okay, the value B 42 and divided by 11. This is 11. 64, 5, 55. Wow. 90, 80, and 88, and 22, right? 2. So value B equals actually what? 15, 82. What about 8? 10 times over here, right? 15, 82. One more 0 over here. But the question is what is difference, okay, of these two numbers? We can take over 15, 82 again, okay? So take over. Last number is 8. This one, 38. We got 30, only this is 38, okay? So this is the answer. You don't have to calculate everything, okay? That is number 3. Number 4 over here. Okay, we have traveling 5 inches for the first T1, that is 5. T2, that is 7 more than 12, right? And 3 is 7 more than 19. Keep going, right? Okay. So we have a right T is 30 seconds. T is over here 30. Okay, we're gonna find what total number by travel. Okay, so we can add this one. What is the last term? 30 is what is that? First term plus 30 minus 1, n minus 1. Do you know this is okay? N equals to our first term plus n minus 1 times common difference. Common difference is 7, okay? So first is 5. So 30 minus 1 is 29 times 7, okay? That's how much? Okay. 203, right? Okay, and the plus 5, 208. Last time is 208. Okay, you can add more, right? That's the answer. So 5 plus 208 and times how many terms are there? 30 terms and divided by 2. That's the answer. Okay, that's the sum of all these 30 numbers. So this is 213 and times this is 15 multiplied by 15 over here. Okay, times 15. Check out. 15, 6, 10, and 203. Okay, you can add more. 3195. Okay, so choice D is the answer. Okay, that's number 4. Right, number 5 over here. There are more than 12 students. Okay, which is the K student numbers. Okay, the sum is always what the total. Maybe you can find the total scores of right K student 8K. And that is the total entire sum of right scores. But mean of collection 12 is what 14, right? 12 students. The average is 14. Okay, this is what the sum of anyway. Sum of this is how much? 12 times 14 is 168, isn't it? Okay, so we're gonna find the remaining quiz square. Okay, remaining quiz. Take off this 168. Okay, how many students are there? K minus. Okay, 12 is out minus 12. Okay, which one is equal to this one? Choice B is the answer. Okay, yeah, that is not hard. Number 6. Okay, this is I think right on YouTube already. Okay, we can try again. Okay, we have right. I remember these questions. Okay, this is time. This is distance. 4 miles per hour. That is speed. Okay, halfway to the top. This is what up top. This is halfway. They use about 4 miles very fast. Okay, up to here, and the next one 2 miles per hour. Slow. Okay, a little slow, and going down over here 3 miles. Okay, this is what 4 to 3 miles. Okay, this is going down, but he met what the other guys up to here, right? This is going up, this is going down. But we're gonna find, okay, this guy's average speed. Average speed, what is it? The distance over time, isn't it? So d over t, right? Where is the time? You can find the time from the other guys. Okay, anyway, speed is the rate. In this case, you better use some plug-in number, okay, which is what? Multiple by 3, 2, 4, okay? The absolute perfect number is 12. You can use 12 and 12. Okay, up to what? From here, you take what? 3 hours. It takes what? 3 hours. I'm going to different color. It takes what? 3 hours over here. Speed 2 to go this one, 6 hours. Down is what? 12 over 3 is what? 4 hours. Actually, from here, the total number of hours, how much? 3 hours, 6 hours, 4 hours. 3, 6, 4 hours. How much? 13 hours. It takes what? 13 hours over here to move over here, about 12 miles. Okay, so average speed is 12 over 13. Okay, that's the answer. All right, number 7 over here. This is kind of a logic, right? So to find the logic, usually we use a contrapositive. But opposite is always equivalent. Or sometimes we use a Venn diagram. Sometimes a Venn diagram is very useful. Okay, so when you take a collection of 13 snakes, this is the total 13 snakes. So 4 of them is purple. This is purple. This is what? Happy. Okay, they might have some intersection over here. Okay, now check out. All of these happy snakes that can add. Okay, happy just add. You can use the right add. They belong to over here. And none of these snakes is what? Subtract. Okay, so subtract is over here, right? Not over this one, this side. A is possible over here. Okay, but subtract over here. A is possible. But over here, all the snakes, what they can't subtract, also what cannot add. That's also where, at the same time, there's no common. Okay, no common is what? Subtract and what? Addition. So there's no over here, no common. What that means, they are separate. Total, right? Purple and happy, they are separate. There's no common. That's what can no. This means what? No common area. It is okay. All right. So which one is the answer? You can see over here no common, right? They are not happy, are not purple. Okay, that is right. Disjoint. Okay, that's the answer. Or other one, take a look. Purple snake can add. Purple is can add over here. Yeah. No. This is wrong, right? Head is also what? Both together. Okay, purple cannot add. This is wrong. The second one is purple snakes are happy. Purple happy? No. Separate. Happy? No, that's no common. This is wrong too. Okay. Snakes can add what? Purple. Snakes can add a purple? No. Okay, add is what? Happy only, okay? This is wrong. This is okay. Happiness can subtract, cannot subtract. No, happy can subtract. Okay, this is wrong too. Okay, you can find the answer this way. But a little question is a little bit weird, okay? Snakes. All right, number 8. Take number 8. When you should multiply the 66, this one, by accident, he multiplied 66 to this one, okay? Terminate decimal. This is about repeating decimal. Repeating decimal is bigger than, okay? So when you shift 66 minus what is the 1.AB minus 1 times AB, that is equals to 0.5. Is okay? What is this value? When you have, right, okay, when you subtract over here. But you remember, right, how to change your fraction. If we have the 0.9 is 9 over 1. 9. You do this one. Okay, that's true, okay? If we have this one, okay, 31, 2 decimal is 1. We have 2 nines. Okay, just number is 31 over 9, 9. Okay, if we have 3 decimal, repeating, okay, 3 or 1, this is what it is. 3 or 1 over, we have a 39, okay? 39. If we have some zeros up here between the numbers, what is this one? 31, 1 over 999, but we need to divide by 100, right? Over 100, did it? Because this is what actually 0.310 over 100, okay? So we have to put more zero digit. Okay, what is this one? So this is what you can subtract over here, okay? I'm going to subtract this one first. 1.AB, AB, AB, AB. This is 1.AB digit. When you subtract over here, this is out, AB is out, 0.00 AB. Repeating, isn't it? What is this number? AB over 29, okay? We have 2 repeating decimal. We need 29, but we have 2 zeros. Down with 2 zeros. That equals 0.5. Right? Okay. So you can divide by 11 of it. This is 6. This is 11 is 900. That's fine. Okay. Now multiply. 6 times AB is what? 0.5 times 900, 450. When you divide by 6, that is 75, isn't it? So the value of AB equals 75. That's the answer, okay? But still it's okay, right? Up to number 8. Now take number 9. What is the least value, minimum value of this one for some value of x and y? Maybe you can put up x equals 0, y equals 0. Maybe there might be minimum, right? But we don't know. We cannot guarantee, right? We cannot convince. So how can you find the least number without any doubt? You can simplify, okay? Take a look. This is x squared y squared minus 2xy and plus 1. Okay? The next one is what is the x squared plus 2xy and plus y squared, right? Okay, find out. 2xy, 2x is out. We got this one. X squared, this one, and 1 over here, right? So these two terms, okay, combine this one. So what is the x squared is a common, y squared plus 1. The other one also was same factor, y squared plus 1. Okay, from here, what you got? Y squared plus 1 and x squared plus 1. This is what? Square the numbers. Anyway, the minimum number is 0. Okay, it can be more than 0, okay, to have minimum. So this is what we can guarantee, right? 100%. So 1 times 1 is 1. That's the least number. Okay, if we have x squared and y squared, okay, x and y is not 0, it's getting more than 1, right? More than 1, okay? More than 1 times more than 1 is more than 1, okay? The minimum value is 1 is that, okay? That's all. That is up to number 9, okay? But AMC to get all questions in given times, actually, you guys need a lot of practice. When you have AMC questions, okay, you have to recognize, okay, where to start, how to start. If you are hesitating before the questions, you lose time. Okay, so that's why AMCs, they're not easy, right, to overcome. Okay, so you have to build up a lot of knowledge on AMC. Okay, that is true. Okay, some students are very smart guys. When they have the right questions, they know how to start. That's the difference. That's what kind of a difference from a pro and amateur. Okay, all right. So I want you to try a little more work on these AMC questions. Okay, all right. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.